Arizona car.
Featuring their breakthrough
It's a
hit.
nice clean car. So goes down the road really good, nice and straight. Not even touching the steering wheel right now.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
It just goes right down the road. So isn't any creaks and bangs. We've done a little work to it. I think we had to put a wheel bearing on it. And did some AC work on it. So nice car. So these are getting to be nice and collectible. Plus you get all the comforts of a newer car with like right now I got the cruise control set at 70. So
Toby Maguire 20-some years ago.
any questions? 605-695-7391.